Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice outdoor prep sink. This is really nice. This is all stainless steel on this, which is great. This was extremely easy to put together because it just came with some legs, a nice base plate, and some end caps, and everything went together extremely easily. This actually provides you with the instructions. They provide you with a nice set of gloves. They even provide you with the little threaded tape to put this together, which is great that they provide you with all that. But this gives you plenty of surface area on here. If you're going to be making any kind of cutting or anything else, they give you nice slots in the back of this to be able to place different tools and apparatus for quick grabbing on that. The sink itself has these nice L-shaped corners and everything here, which makes this very easy to clean. They even provide you with a strainer basket, which is great, so it's got easy cleanup there as well, which is really nice. They've got a nice chrome plated faucet here that actually has a hot and a cold, and both of those are fed through the bottom here. You've got some braided cables. I'll come around and show you these for hookups that are nice and long. They do provide you with these nice braided cables for that, and the drain hose itself actually here could be hooked up or just run off, tied into and run off to a separate thing outside. So everything that you need for a nice summer or fall cookout and prep, this would make a great addition for anyone's backyard.